Hi, Lisa here with another quick tip. I'm going to show you something that I think you'll really like. This is a General's Kimberly watercolor pencil. It's a number 715 black, and you can find them in art stores or order them online. You can order them on Amazon, Dick Blick's, a lot of different places. But what you do, and in the name of time, I have gone ahead and sketched this out. I'll just show you how easy it is. And the more you bear down, the more color, or in this case, the more black that you've got on your paper, of course, the darker things are going to be. So, let's see. All right, and this is just one way to use these. Now, take a little bit of water, get a damp brush, and I just start moving this around. This is fun. You can do more, you can do as little as you want. And when your brush is loaded, of course, it's still got pigment on it. I could put one back here. It's a little bit fainter, so it's kind of pushed in the background. Come back here, continue with this one. And notice I haven't put any more water on my brush. I'm just using what water I had. Doesn't take much to activate this. And they do make sketching pencils, water-soluble sketching pencils that you can use in this manner. But to be honest, I think the watercolor black 715 pencil is the best. So I hope you enjoy this. Get one, play with it. You can do value studies in this with this pencil. This is nice to take when you're out and about. Maybe just have one of the brushes that hold water so that you don't even have to have a source of water around you. Okay, hope you enjoy that. It's been a pleasure.